Start.
Sir, good morning. We would like to ask you some questions for our project. Our first question is, how important is art in your life?
See, art is important to every human being because this makes you see life in a different perspective. If you are an artistic person, that means you have a creative instinct with you. You will see things in a different level and beauty in nature, because see, when God made the nature, He has planned it in such a way that wherever you look around, in whichever direction you see beautiful things, but it requires a beautiful mind to see those artistic things. So it is very important in life that you should inculcate artistic sensibility, and only when you have an artistic sensibility, or you will see the children who like to paint, and they perceive things in a different parameter, in a different way. Art is very important in our life.
Our next question is, which is the favorite subject?
Obviously, my favorite subject will be the profession that I am, art. Anyway, it's art only. But then art does not mean only painting. It has got a huge sphere. You have many other things. But my favorite subject...
So moving towards our next question, do you think that art will make your thinking more creative?
Yes, definitely. Art will make... an artistic mind will always perceive things in a different perspective. And, people who have an artistic mind, they have a different vision, different way to look at things. In any form of surrounding that is around him, an artistic mind, a person with an artistic mind will always see it in a beautiful way. He will even find out from the ugliest thing available in front of him, he will find out some beauty out of it. So that is a very natural instinct that a person with artistic abilities, creative mind will have. Better, one step ahead than the normal human being. Normal human being will see things in a very normal, realistic way as it is available. But then a person with an artistic mind will always see things in a different way.
Our next question is, do you think that art can be a lucrative career?
It is a lucrative. I don't have to think. It is a lucrative career. You will see the paintings, these paintings, if it is well framed and if I put it for sale, it becomes a saleable commodity. And art is now, the paintings made by children, even made by very good artists, are sold as a very lucrative, in a market where it is sold for a very big amount, And you have auctions, you have a lot of auctions of art. There are so many painters around the world, not only painters, the artists, who have sold their painting. They live their life selling a painting. You have Indian painters like Ganesh Pai, you have Vikas Bhattacharjee, M.F. Hussain, and you have the Western artists like Vincent van Gogh, you have the Picasso, and who have lived their life as a painter, and it is now a very lucrative career. Of course, people have known the value of painting today.
So our next question is, do you think that nature represents art most beautifully and meaningfully?
Undoubtedly, yes. Nature is the best available, source of artistic beauty around us. And if we believe, yes, God has made the earth, then of course the beauty lies in the nature. That's why you go to different places to see the beauty of nature. Why we go? It is a very natural thing which is always available there, and it keeps on changing. It keeps on changing with the climate change. It keeps on changing with the seasons, and that's why you have a beautiful landscape. In winter is different. You have all ice and snowfall, and you also have the same landscape during the spring, full of beautiful flowers and greenery around. So nature is the best example.
So our next question is, what do you like to paint the most?
What do you
like to paint the most?
I would always love to paint a landscape, a very realistic landscape. I love painting something which is natural, and it often becomes a replica of nature. But then I enjoy doing a landscape.
Sir, our next question is, do you think that through art you can realize your profession?
Yes, every child is born with the same kind of sensibility. All child, like even you or me or anybody, we are all born with the same kind of skills that we come, naturally. But then only few people become artistically inclined, and the reason for this is the support that a child should get. Have you seen a small boy, a child, when the child is, crawling, you will give a piece of chalk to the child, immediately put it in his mouth, and it realizes that this is not a eatable thing. So what he or she will do is, he'll make a circle. Now you just imagine a child of 6-7 months who has taught him or her drawing. Nobody. It is a basic instinct that the child has come with. But then what happens is, later on, his family, his school, the entire society, depends whether the society really helps the child, supports the child to, have this artistic sensibility developed in their child. And once that is done, if the society helps, the parents help, the family members encourage the child, that child leads to a perfection, perfection in life, and he realizes that yes, with his artistic abilities, not only studies, but as a human being, his way of perceiving things becomes unique. That's
So lastly, would you like to add something else to this topic?
but see, this is a continuous process. It's nice that you are doing a project on ThinkQuest, and this is a time-bound project. Make it the best. Explore all the avenues that is available. You are doing a wonderful work. Keep it up.